about the Rengoku chain is that there is a hole in it. I don't like it. I'm sick of the donut jokes. Leave Rengoku alone. 5 anime inspired jewelry brands that you should know. So the first brand I want to talk about, I've reviewed before, and this is Kiyo Studios. Now, Kiyo Studios does not miss when it comes to the packaging. It is an experience. Whenever I open a Kiyo piece or a box, I love it because it feels like I'm opening like a Mac product. You can tell how much detail that they put into this, and I really appreciate Kiyo Studios for this. They even give you a little duster, a cleaner thing for your jewelry pieces, which I think is really nice and really thoughtful, and I don't get that with a lot of brands that I order from. And also, I love how considerate Kiyo is whenever they are designing their pieces. One of my favorite pieces that I talked about in a previous video is the Zoro earrings. Now, the Zoro earrings accommodates anybody that has pierced ears or not, or even if you have more than one piercing, you could still wear all 3 of the Zoro earrings. So for example, me, I have 1 ear pierced, but I still was able to get all 3 earrings because 2 of the earrings are clip-ons. And if you don't have any piercings, you can get all clip-ons, and you can change the variety or alter it so that way it could fit your needs based off the piercings or non-piercings that you have. And I think that's so cool because a lot of people don't do that. Whenever I would look at Zoro earrings, it's just like either you got 3 ears pierced or you don't. That's just how it is. So kudos to Kiyo on that. We love you for that, Kiyo. And then another thing that I do love about Kiyo, or a piece that I love about Kiyo, is their Prism Realm piece. So say if I'm playing a board game, one that I like to play is Catan. I pull out the Prism Realm dice, and the people that know. And it always makes me so happy whenever someone understands the reference and they're like, yo, where did you get that from? Like, Kiyo Studios. Yeah, but they also have a bunch of other stuff. I know a lot of people have been asking about Free Run. They just dropped their Free Run collection, and they dropped a ring and a bracelet. So if you like Free Run, I would definitely encourage you to check them out. But they also have a bunch of other animes. So if you like the pieces that I show, I would really encourage you to go check out Kiyo Studios. The next one is Mr. SFC. I've covered Mr. FFC like a couple times, mainly their Yu-Gi-Oh collection. Now the thing is with Mr. SFC is that they are actually officially licensed. They do have a lot of pieces from a lot of our favorite animes like Naruto, Dragon Ball Z. I would say Dragon Ball Z is very popular because of the Patora earrings, and Yu-Gi-Oh, My Hero Academia. And even if you don't like anime and you know like comics or movies, they got things like Star Wars and Marvel things as well, which I think it's dope. So the pieces that I do have from them is a Toby from Naruto necklace, and I believe I have like a kunai, and one of my favorite pieces that I have is the Majin ring. I did do some TikTok reviews about these pieces whenever I got them, and if you're one of those people that are like, I only do official anime merch or official license merch, there you go, officially licensed right there. The next brand, jewelry brand that I want to talk about is Goni. Now Goni, I would say out of all these brands that I talk about, Goni definitely I wear the most. Like, I wear Goni all the time. I'm actually surprised I'm not wearing Goni now, but if you look at all my pictures, I'm literally wearing Goni. Now the Tokyo Ghoul necklace I'm wearing is actually a bracelet, but I just turned it into a necklace because it was just too big for me. But whatever, it's still dope. I haven't seen anyone a necklace. I even told them you should make this a necklace because everyone keeps asking me. Then I also have the JK ring. I be feeling like Yuta whenever I wear this ring. And then also I have the Toji sword as well, that necklace. Those are, and I have other pieces from Goni as well. Like, I have a Bleach inspired ring, I have a Hunter x Hunter inspired ring. I have a lot of Goni stuff, and I wear it all the time. I'm actually very shocked that I do not have Goni on right now, but I'll insert pictures. Like, if you look at my Instagram, I'm pretty sure I have Goni on. But the thing is with Goni is they only do drops, so you got to get them when they're hot. So next drop, I'll try to let you guys know, but definitely keep Goni on your list. The next one is for if you are a business casual person and you want something a little bit sophisticated, a little bit more classy, something that you can wear on your hot date where you want to drink on some champagne, is Kimi, I believe. I don't want to say it wrong, so I will put it right here. But some pieces that I love from them is their pirate ship earrings inspired by One Piece. Also, I like their Nanami necklace. Unfortunately, I did not get the Nanami necklace, but I did get the Sukuna and Gojo necklace, which I love. One thing that I really love about the pirate ship earrings is how they're so delicate and small. A lot of the anime inspired pieces tend to be like larger and sometimes a little bit overwhelming, but that's what I really love about their pieces. They have pieces that are inspired from animes like Spy Family. I haven't seen a lot of Spy Family pieces, but they have a little Anya necklace that I like and put in my shopping cart. I haven't gotten it yet because I'm poor. And then they also have a lot of JJK stuff, a lot of One Piece stuff, and then also like fairy tale stuff and other animes that I was just like, oh, whoa, I wouldn't have expected this. I would say definitely go check them out. I feel like this is a smaller brand that is underrated, definitely needs more hype. I don't know, I've been making so many videos of this brand. I just really want them to get the love that they deserve because their pieces are really dope. I just have to find, I feel like there's like a specific niche of people that this was made for, and I cannot find them, but I'm gonna find them because I want them to like find out about this brand because this brand deserves to be united with their audience. So hopefully their audience will see this. And then the last brand is Nanimerica. Now, let me tell you, when I did a review on this brand, it went viral. They went crazy with their Yu-Gi-Oh collection, okay? Their Blue Eyes White Dragon Yu-Gi-Oh card had people going crazy. And the medallion necklace, oh my goodness, okay? The Blue Eyes White Dragon card necklace, it made me want to be like, it's time to do. They just dropped their Hunter x Hunter ring, and also they have One Piece. And also, the two pieces that I bought from them is I bought the Rengoku chain. The only thing I don't like about the Rengoku chain is that there is a hole in it, and I don't know if this was intentional or not, but if it was, I don't know. I don't like it. I'm sick of the donut jokes. Leave Rengoku alone. But out of all these brands, who's your favorite? I don't have a favorite. Actually, like all of them. Each brand I kind of like more for different reasons. Like I think Kiyo has really good packaging, and I feel like they also are so accommodating when it comes to their customers. I also really like Mr. SFC just because they have a huge directory of different types of items that you can choose from. I like Komei. I'm gonna put the name right there. Oh my god, they're gonna see this and hate me. Don't judge me. But also, I love how their pieces are more dainty and delicate, and that's something that I really want in the anti-weeb fashion space. I feel like there's not a lot of subtle anime inspired jewelry that is as delicate and feminine and light and airy and classy. I just think of that with this brand. And then we have Goni, that is so unique. The pieces from Goni so unique that every time people see them, and it's like in your face and stainless steel, also really good quality. Like I haven't had any tarnish or anything. Like these pieces are sturdy, they're heavy, okay? And I just love how like bold and in your face they are. I don't even like silver, which is crazy, but ever since I've got these Goni pieces, I've been wearing silver a lot. And then Nanimerica, they're more in your face and very straightforward on, straightforward, and you can tell that they are dedicated to the fans. Like, this is what the fans want, this is what we're giving them, okay? And I don't know, each one of these brands are so different that every time people tell me like to pick my top 5 or something, it's too hard because everyone's different, and I like each brand for different reasons. So I would pick each one for different specific reasons, just like I would wear a piece for different outfits. I don't know, it's difficult. But let me know in the comments which brand that you like the most, or what piece that you like the most, or let me know if you actually bought something from one of these brands and how the quality is, because I feel like the quality for all these are pretty good. But if you like content like this, definitely subscribe and let me know what other content that you want to see from me. I'm trying to get more on YouTube. And also let me know if I talk too much. I'll call you guys back later.